Well, I received part of my order for my rebuild from Arrma, and I got my motor, our body towers, those little hubs, differential outdrive hubs, and new gear cover, battery door cover, and shock tool. But for right now, we need to break this motor in, and we need to do that by submersing in water and running a battery out in it about half pace, and I'll get that together right now. Okay, now I'm all set up and ready to go. I got my ESC plugged in and my motor plugged in the ESC. And what we're going to do is we're going to stick it in the water here. I don't completely submerge it. I'm going to turn this guy on and turn on our controller. And we're working. And I'm just going to do a little bit of throttle trim here. Get this to work quick. There we go. We're going to let that run for about 15-20 minutes, and what that does is it helps the brushes work in to get better contact. That water's getting pretty gray. It's been running roughly about 10 minutes now. As you can see, that water is super dirty. It's been running about 15 minutes now, and I have it about on quarter throttle here. We'll turn it up just a little bit more. Let it run about 5 more minutes. Okay, we're going to shut it down here. Yeah, that water's pretty dirty. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go over to the sink and rinse it out real good, and then we'll get it dry. I got it all rinsed off real good and partially dry. We're going to put some penetrating oil here and then up around here, and then we'll install it once I get it good and dry. Just make sure I get all that water out.